Meet a real river doctor. Marcelo H. Garcia, Ph.D., Fellow of the Environmental and Water Resources Institute, and distinguished member of the American Society of Civil Engineers, is considered a leading voice in sediment transport and environmental fluid mechanics. If it has the word sediment in it, Dr. Garcia has probably written a textbook chapter on it, demonstrated by his pioneering research on sediment transport, the interaction of sediment and flow turbulence, direct numerical simulation of sediment-laden flow, and river meandering and density flows. Looking to Leonardo da Vinci for inspiration, Dr. Garcia has sparked a renaissance in the field by observing nature to produce solutions to everyday engineering challenges. He was instrumental in the implementation of the first 3D computational model of the Chicago River to help explain the presence of density currents during the winter months. He developed a tool for stream management and engineering that evolved into the popular RVR meander model used widely for stream restoration. And he redesigned the spillway at the Yorkville Dam in Illinois to better dissipate the water's energy and help prevent drowning accidents. Currently, the Chester and Helen Cease Endowed Professor in Civil and Environmental Engineering and Director of the Venti Chow Hydrosystems Laboratory at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, Dr. Garcia has supervised 40 graduate and 25 doctoral students, 4 of whom have received the L.G. Straub Award for their dissertations. Dr. Garcia has been honored with ASCE's Carl Emil Hilgard Hydraulic Prize, Walter L. Huber Civil Engineering Research Prize, Wesley W. Horner Award, Hans Albert Einstein Award, and Hunter Rouse Hydraulic Engineering Award, while also being honored by professional organizations and governments around the world. The American Society of Civil Engineers is proud to bestow upon Marcelo Garcia a distinguished membership.
Thank you, everyone. Let me just start by saying that I'm incredibly honored to be here with this group of people. I want to thank ASCE and President Greg DiLoretto for this distinction, which is really incredible for me. Thanks to all my family and friends and colleagues around the world who in one way or another have helped me in getting here. It has been a long journey for me, which started 30 years ago when I first came to the U.S. for graduate studies. I want to thank my parents, Betty and Juan Carlos, for their continuous encouragement. Thanks to my alma mater, Universidad Nacional del Litoral, and to all the teachers I had, and in particular, I'm very grateful to Dr. Onipchenko, a Russian hydraulician who happened to be in Santa Fe, Argentina, motivating me to do research at a very, very early age on the erosion of clays in the Paraná River. I want to thank St. Anthony Falls Hydraulics Lab at the University of Minnesota for giving me the opportunity to come to the U.S. and pursue graduate studies with an assistantship. In particular, I want to thank Professor Gary Parker for introducing me to the wonderful world of rivers, sediment transport, and oceanic turbidity currents. Gary has been an incredible mentor, colleague, and friend throughout my career, and I would not be here without Gary's support and encouragement over the years. I want to thank the University of Illinois, Bill Hall, the head that hired me. They gave me a chance almost a year before I finished my PhD and gave me the opportunity to work in what I think is arguably the best civil engineering department in the world. The Chester and Helen Cease professorship, I'm very grateful for that too, because it has given me the opportunity to pursue things that otherwise I wouldn't have been able to do. Thanks to all the graduate students that have worked with me over the years. It has been an honor and a privilege to work with them. Finally, I would like to thank my wife, Estela Rodriguez-Kanga, for all her love, help, and support. We go way back. We grew up in the same neighborhood. She's also an engineer. And without her help, this journey would not have been possible for me. Thank you again, everyone.